This is the most excited I've been to check out a new phone all year, so let's just get right to it. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 2, Samsung's follow-up to last year's Galaxy Fold, and the company's fourth foldable release in the last year. I'm Hayato with Android Central. We're gonna do a quick unboxing and go over some of what's new with this $2,000 luxury device. So if you thought the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra was expensive at $1,300, the Z Fold 2 takes it to a whole other level at a penny shy of $2,000. But let's remember that that's only $20 more than last year's Galaxy Fold launched at, and there's a lot that's new here. Sliding off the outer cover of the box, we can see this interesting design that folds out from the center to reveal a little pamphlet welcoming you to the foldable experience. This time around, that experience includes 5G support and availability on all three major US carriers, as well as an unlocked variant like the one I was sent. We'll toss that aside for now, and underneath is a mostly empty box hiding the phone itself. Though before we move on to the phone, I should mention that Samsung is including a concierge service with all retail versions of the Z Fold 2 called Z Premier, which comes with a number of fancy perks like Michelin prepped meals and exclusive club memberships. If I'm being honest, I'd happily ditch all of that to hit a lower price point, but it really shows how much Samsung is positioning this device as a luxury product. Also in the box, you'll find a USB-C to C cable as well as a fast charging brick, but no true wireless earbuds this time around. Last year's Galaxy Fold included a pair of Galaxy Buds in the box, but Samsung has confirmed that you won't get Galaxy Buds Live or Buds Plus with the Fold 2. So with all of that out of the way, let's get back to the phone, and right off the bat it definitely feels substantial. This is of course not a small phone by any stretch, but it doesn't feel overbearing either. Just like last year, we've got a list of care instructions on this plastic sheet, warning you not to put too much pressure on the Fold 2's inner display and letting you know that you won't find water resistance here. What you will find though is a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor regardless of where you buy the Fold. There's no Exynos version globally. Well, all right. Ooh. So immediate first impressions, I really like this new matte texture that comes with the Mystic Bronze finish. And of course, I just like that finish a lot as well. The front display obviously takes up a lot more space, which is super nice. If you used the original Fold with its tiny cover display, this is a huge improvement, and you get this tiny little camera cutout up top. You open the phone and there's just a super noticeable difference in the sturdiness and rigidity of the hinge. I mean, you can really open it and sort of leave it propped at almost any position, where the original Fold kind of bottomed out at maybe somewhere around here. Now you can really just have it at any spot you want, which is super nice. You also get a new 120Hz inner display with the same adaptive refresh rate system that the Note 20 Ultra used, as well as a much larger cover display that actually fills the entire glass panel, a huge improvement over last year's Fold. Rather than using an in-display fingerprint sensor like on its Galaxy S and Note counterparts, the Z Fold 2 has a capacitive fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button on the side. There's also a factory-installed screen protector on both displays, which you can actually remove this year, so I did, but you probably shouldn't, as the care instructions warn against. There's so much to talk about with the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and believe me, I can't wait to get into it after I've spent more time with the phone. In the meantime though, you can pre-order one starting tomorrow, September 2nd, with a September 18th launch. The Z Fold 2 is available in Mystic Bronze and Mystic Black, and you can customize the color of the hinge free of charge, which is a really great personal touch. Of course, Samsung will be offering its typical massive trade-in incentives as always, with its highest ever offer of $800 for previous foldables like the Galaxy Fold and Z Flip. And hey, there's no review embargo on the Galaxy Z Fold 2, so I'll be writing about my experiences with it in real time over at AndroidCentral.com and on Twitter. Subscribe to make sure you don't miss the full review and plenty of other video coverage on the Fold 2, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.